I am Rajendra Mathur, heading the RSI Stone World Private Limited based at Gwalior. I have been used the fusion machine earlier with the infrastructure of 10 fusion machines, 3-axis CNC machine and the rotary 4-axis CNC machines. The machines are very nice for production of the monumental work. So I am also planning to install the fusion 3-axis, 4-axis and rotary 4-axis machines in my plant.